Have you ever wondered about those amazing creatures that can live both in water and on land? Today we're going on an incredible journey to discover everything about frogs and toads. From tiny frogs smaller than your thumb, to giant frogs as big as dinner plates. Get ready to learn amazing facts that will blow your mind. Frogs are special animals called amphibians. The word amphibian means double life because they live both in water and on land. They belong to a group called Anura, which means without a tail. That's because adult frogs don't have tails. There are over 7,000 different types of frogs in the world. They come in every color you can imagine. You can find frogs on every continent except Antarctica, where it's too cold for them to survive. The smallest frog in the world is tinier than a penny. It's called Paedophryne amoensis and lives in Papua New Guinea. These small frogs, measuring just 7.7 mm long, smaller than a penny, look cute. But the largest is the Goliath frog from West Africa, which can grow up to 32 centimeters, 12.5 inches, and weigh as much as a house cat. The time it takes for a frog to complete its life cycle varies. For some species, like the common frog, it takes about 12-16 weeks to go from egg to adult. For others, like the bullfrog, it can take up to 2 years. Every frog starts life as a tiny egg. Female frogs can lay hundreds or even thousands of eggs at once. These eggs are covered in a jelly-like substance that protects them from drying out and keeps predators away. After a few days or weeks, tiny tadpoles hatch from the eggs. They look nothing like adult frogs. Tadpoles have long tails, no legs, and gills for breathing underwater, just like fish. They spend their time eating algae and tiny plants in the water, growing bigger every day. As tadpoles grow, something amazing happens. They start growing legs, first the back ones, then the front ones. Their tails get shorter and they develop lungs to breathe air. Now they're called froglets. Finally, they become adult frogs with strong legs, no tail, and the ability to live both in water and on land. This incredible transformation is called metamorphosis, and it takes anywhere from a few weeks to 2 years. Frogs have amazing skin that works like a superpower. Their thin skin can absorb water and oxygen directly from the air. Some frogs, like poison dart frogs, have skin that makes toxic chemicals to protect them from predators. This is why frogs need to stay in moist environments to avoid drying out. Frogs have huge, bulging eyes on top of their heads that can see almost all the way around them. They even have special clear eyelids that work like goggles underwater. Frogs are incredible jumpers. Some can leap 20 times their own body length. That's like you jumping across a basketball court. Tree frogs have sticky toe pads that let them climb straight up glass windows and hang upside down. Frogs have excellent hearing thanks to their eardrums located right behind their eyes. Male frogs use their powerful voices to call for mates. Some are so loud you can hear them from miles away. The coqui frog from Puerto Rico is named after its distinctive coqui call, which is so loud it can be heard from miles away. Where do frogs live? Frogs are incredibly adaptable and can be found in a wide range of habitats, from rainforests to deserts, mountains to swamps. Tropical rainforests are home to the most colorful and diverse frogs on Earth. Like this amazing red-eyed tree frog with its bright green body and stunning red eyes. Many frogs love ponds, lakes, and wetlands where they can find plenty of food and safe places to lay their eggs. These watery homes provide everything frogs need to survive and raise their families. Some frogs are so tough they can live in deserts. They burrow underground and wait for rain. The Australian water-holding frog can store water in its body like a living water balloon. Some frogs can even survive freezing temperatures. Wood frogs actually freeze solid in winter and thaw out in spring. They hibernate under logs and leaves, waiting for warmer weather to wake up. Most adult frogs are carnivores, which means they eat other animals. Their tongues are like super fast sticky traps. A frog's tongue can shoot out and catch prey in less than a blink of an eye. Bigger frogs eat bigger meals. Some even eat small fish, mice, or other frogs. Frogs are very social and love to talk to each other, especially at night or after it rains. Each species has its own special call. Some croak, some chirp, and some even whistle. Frogs are masters of hide and seek. Many can change color slightly to blend in with their surroundings. Others use bright colors as a warning sign that says, "Don't eat me, I'm dangerous." Frogs have helped humans in amazing ways. Scientists study them to discover new medicines and learn about biology. They're also wonderful teachers, helping us understand life cycles and ecosystems. Some frogs make great pets. African dwarf frogs are popular because they're small, friendly, and fun to watch. White's tree frogs are gentle and easy to care for, making them perfect for beginners. And Pac-Man frogs are famous for their huge appetites and funny round shape. Glass frogs have see-through skin that lets you see their heart beating inside. Some frog parents are super dedicated. Suriname toad mothers carry their babies on their backs. Frogs are environmental superheroes. They eat millions of mosquitoes and other pests that bother humans. When frogs are healthy and happy, it means their environment is clean and safe for all animals. Sadly, many frogs are in danger because of pollution, habitat loss, and climate change. But scientists and conservationists are working hard to protect frogs and their homes. You can help too. Visit local ponds with your family to observe frogs in their natural habitat. Learn more about frogs, support conservation organizations, and always keep their homes clean. Yes, you can absolutely keep frogs as pets, and they can make fascinating and rewarding companions for the right owner. However, not all frog species are suitable for captivity, and caring for them requires specific knowledge and commitment. So you can have a frog as a pet. In fact, frogs are popular pets for people who want a low-maintenance and unique animal. However, they require specific care to stay healthy. Some frogs are easier for beginners, while others are better for experienced amphibian keepers. 1. African dwarf frog, aquatic. 2. White's tree frog, dumpy tree frog. 3. Pac-Man frog, horned frog. 4. American green tree frog. 5. Fire-bellied toad, semi-aquatic. Here's an amazing fact. Some frogs can actually fly. Well, glide really, using their webbed feet like parachutes. Many frogs can change color to match their mood or surroundings, just like chameleons. And each frog species has its own unique song. It's like they have their own language. From their incredible life cycle to their amazing adaptations, frogs show us how wonderful and diverse nature can be. They remind us that every creature, no matter how small, plays an important role in our world. Frogs are fascinating creatures that have captured the imagination of people for centuries. They are amphibians, which means they live both in water and on land, and they belong to the order Anura, a scientific term meaning without a tail. Frogs are incredible animals with a rich and diverse world to explore. From their dramatic life cycle to their unique adaptations, they offer endless opportunities for learning and wonder. Whether you're spotting tadpoles in a pond, listening to their croaks at night, or learning about their role in ecosystems, frogs are a reminder of how interconnected life on Earth is. Next time you see a frog, take a moment to appreciate these amazing amphibians. With their unique life cycle, vibrant colors, and incredible adaptations, frogs are a perfect subject for kids and anyone curious about nature. So next time you hear a frog croaking or see one hopping by, remember all the amazing things you've learned today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep protecting these incredible amphibians for future generations to enjoy. Thanks for joining us on this amazing journey into the world of frogs and toads.